just wanted to say thank you, everybody, and stay tuned to the end of this video for a special announcement. Hi, everybody. This is Sam with Python Basics. And I was just kind of blown away by looking at these numbers. And you guys really like seeing these, and I just thought I'd share them. So for the past 28 days, we've had 240 subscribers. So just want to take a minute to say thank you to you guys and welcome. And also passed another crazy milestone to over 20,000 views in the past 28 days and 606 watch hours. I still kind of am blown away by that, because I remember when I was first getting started doing this, it was watch minutes, and I used to have 600 watch minutes. So now thinking about that, that's 600 watch hours, that completely blows me away. But this is really what I want to show you guys. So getting real close to this 4,000 hours. But as I was looking, went back to the lifetime here, and I guess I forget a lot about this stuff. It's everything. You guys always surprise me each day, each month, each year. Some of you have been around a long time, so I want to tell you guys thank you, and of course thank you for the new people being here. So in the past 365 days, 1,448 out of those. But here's where it just really becomes extremely humbling, of this curve right here. And over time, this curve from December through now, it's usually flat to down. And I just want to tell you guys thank you. I really appreciate it. Awesome questions. A ton of awesome support in the comments as well. And I cannot believe that probably in the next month, let's show you guys this, I'll have a video that's because it's gonna have 10,000 views. I just can't really fathom that. So as of today, it's 1,915. So in the past 28 days, this has had the I guess it'd be a little bit over a month. 809 for the seed method video, and the every month a newer video, because my first real big video that kind of really took off was this increment and decrement, and it has been surpassed by 2 other videos. And I think the newest one that is really doing an unbelievable job is this one right here. Oh, okay, because this just passed 1,000 right around the year mark, and now it's already at 2,000. So I just always want to take a second and try to, and I don't want to overwhelm you, but you guys, it's extremely humbling to think that I taught myself this. I was hoping that it would help others, and I was really truly just starting this to force myself to extend my knowledge and really refine my teaching abilities and my comprehension. So if you want to master something, teach it. So all right, we're wrapping up here, but on Friday, I feel very confident that chapter 1 is done. So it will be dropping on Friday on my Patreon page. So the link's down below if you're interested in getting a peek of that, and hopefully within the next month, each chapter will be added, because I'm on chapter 3 but still refining 2, and I want to get 3 or 4 edits out of the way before I consider it done. But on Friday, chapter 1 will drop on Patreon. So if you're interested, or you know somebody who is really struggling with learning, it's going to have the basics, and we're just going to go from there. It's going to be variations of the videos, and a couple other videos that will go along with it that are extra. So But as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.